If you want to get Soulstones in TBH Taskbar Hero, here's what you need to know. First, open the game's wiki and search for Soulstones. You'll find that they can be obtained from the final stages of each act. For Act 1, focus on stages A18 and A19. The same applies to Act 2, where you'll want to farm stages A28 and A29. To start farming, head over to the portal and repeatedly complete these stages. Each time you defeat the boss, there's a chance it will drop a stage chest. When you open that chest, it has a chance of containing a Soulstone. Stages A18 and A19, approximately 13% chance to contain a Soulstone. Stages A28 and A29, approximately 11% chance to contain a Soulstone. If your goal is to progress as efficiently as possible, farming A18 and A19 is generally the better option because of the slightly higher drop rate. Hopefully, this guide helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.